we're trying to figure out what's the probability that the marble selected would be purple. Well, let's think about how that could happen. It could be, you could choose box A and it be purple, or you could choose box B and it would be purple. In probability, usually or means add and means multiply. So what's the probability you choose box A? Well, 1 out of 2, you've got 2 boxes. So 1/2. And what's the probability that you choose box A and it's a purple? Well, that would be 30/50. Plus, what's the probability you choose box B? That's going to be 1/2. Because you got 1 box, you only got 2, so 1 out of 2. And what's the probability it's purple? Well, it's 15 purples in that box. And you got a total of 50 marbles in that box. So now do the math. This is 30. Normally I cancel, but both of these can give me a denominator of 100, so I'm not going to cancel. This is 30/100 plus 15/100, and that's 45/100. And now I'm going to 45. See, 5 will go into 45 9 times, and 5 will go into 100 20 times. So 9 out of 20.